Medyo confusing lang po yung sinasabing it is better to be kind than always finding yourself to be right or pointing your right side. While analyzing that case is pwede namang sabihin yung tama. Try to explain what is right in a very kind way. Kung ang kinakausap mo ay medyo makitid yung utak na very sensitive, we should not forget always, especially the adult one, that kailangan nating ituro always kung ano yung tama. Kasi nakahalin tulad yan sa sinasabi doon sa law of righteousness, the divine law, or the laws that are found in the Holy Quran, na dapat malaman ng hindi nakakaalam kung ano yung tama sa mali. So, kahit ito ay medyo hurting, so dapat lang na maituwid yung kaisipan niyang baluktot. Nasa society tayo na ang ating paniniwala ay nakabase doon sa sinasabing hustling para sa ikakaunlad ng ating estado sa buhay. Pero ang hindi natin alam na ang ating brains, again, Sweller's Cognitive Load Theory in 1988 ay nagsasabing nag-weak din ang ating brains dahil nga sa pagod. So the best way para ito ay mag-work well, kailangan may rest. And again, Sweller's Cognitive Load Theory in 1988 ay nagsasabing nag-weak din ang ating brains dahil nga sa pagod. So the best way para ito ay mag-work well, kailangan may rest. And do not ever give back your trust to those people who betrayed you once, twice, or thrice, because they will betray you again 1,000 times. So there is no need to drink the whole water in the sea to taste that it is really salty.